On Thursday, on our Thrive virtual hotspot, we spoke about creating forms, and we spoke about SurveyMonkey, and I also commented that you could do that with Google Forms. Okay, so to start with that, you just have to write forms.google.com. Okay, so there we go. And you need to have a Gmail account. Okay, so let's get inside this Gmail account. And here we are. So I have been playing a little bit. When you start, you have a lot of templates here. So template gallery, just click here. And you see the different templates that you can use. So you have personal templates, you have also work templates, and you have education templates. To start with, we can just go for a blank. Okay, perfect. So untitled form, let's just put here a title, and then we can put a description. Okay, let's say this bad boy. So there we are. We can just add this thing, and now we get the first question. Okay, when we go to the question, then we can choose the kind of question that you want. We have different things to choose from. A short answer, this is just a single line answer. A paragraph, multiple lines paragraph. You can have these ones, multiple choice, checkboxes, or drop down. Okay, perfect. Let's continue with the other ones. So we get to get the people to upload the file. For example, if it's a CV that needs to be uploaded, or a picture, they can do that. We get a linear scale, so we can get a series of numbers, so people can choose from 0 to 10 or something like that. Multiple choice grid, checkbox grid, date, time, and so on. Okay, so the most usual ones is short answer or paragraph, and then multiple choices or linear scale. Okay, so let's do an easy one. So, for example, could we start with do you have a website? Okay, suggestions. That is incredible. Yes, no, and well, maybe doesn't make sense. So, instruction, you could do that. Okay, and that would be it. So we can duplicate and get to the next question, or we can just create a new one from here, add question. Okay, so add question, and the question is, do you have a website? So what's the name of your site? Here it would be a short answer. Okay, perfect, there we go. And we could continue adding things in the same section, or we could get a new section. Okay, to get a new section, you click here, and the questionnaire would be split in different pages. For the next session, okay, we could copy this, we could duplicate this one. Okay, duplicate, and we're going to move it here. Okay, we can pick it from here and move it. Okay, has to go Okay, in section 2. Okay, and this section we're going to call it list. Do you have a list? Not yet. 0 to 100 people, 100 to 500, 500 to 1000, 1000 to 5000, and more than 5000. Okay, let's create a new section. We could call it problems, and we're going to add here a new question. What specifically would you need help with right now? And this is going to be checkboxes, for example. So option 1, website. Option 2, print with or slash magnet. Webinars, autoresponders, PayPal integration, appointment software, or copywriting, and we could add other. Okay, perfect. There we go. And we will add a new one. What would you like exactly help with? And topics that you selected. So that would be it. And we have one section. Do you have a website? The section 2 of the list, section 3 of the problems. Okay, so this might make a good quiz, a good survey for our people, and we can go here and preview it. Okay, don't like technologies to view that. Do you have a website? Choose. Okay, yes, I have a website. Beta called Rafael. Okay, next. Okay, so here we have to change website for list. Okay, because it didn't change it, so I have list. Okay, let's say this one. Let's go. And what specifically would you need help right now? Free gift and autoresponders. Perfect. Okay, what would you like exactly help with? I would like to brainstorm my free gift and implement it to grow my list. Perfect, and then we say submit. Okay, your response has been recorded. Submit another response. Okay, perfect. So let's go back to the original one, and we see that we have one response recorded. Okay, so let's go down here. Okay, let's change this. We have list, and then what we're going to do is we can say which one of these are mandatory and which ones are not. So here, for example, we can make it required, and then do you have a list? We can make it required, and the problems we are gonna make it required. Perfect. One thing. Okay, as we make the changes, they are being saved right now. And let's go to settings. This is nice. So we want to limit that to one response. We don't want people answering many times. Okay, so respondents will be required to sign into Google. Respondents can edit after submit. Okay, if you want to give people the ability to change the answers, you can do that. See summary charts and text responses. Okay, perfect. Presentation. We can just show progress bar as we keep progressing from one screen to the other. And shuffle question order, we don't need to do that. And this is the message that we have seen. Your response has been recorded. Okay? And we are not making this a quiz, and it would be already saved. Okay? So when we have everything ready as we want it to be, we just need to send it. And we can do it in many different ways. So we can get here and then start typing email addresses and send it to them for people to get that. Okay, that would be if we just want people to send it to a specific email addresses. So this is the one thing, we can send it via email. Second possibility would be sending a link that is pretty long. We can shorten it. Okay, we have the possibility to copy that. And when we open a new window, there it goes. Okay, you have the progress bar and you can keep answering the questions. So you don't need to have a website in order to have this thing. It is pretty easy. The other thing is if you do have your website, you can embed the HTML code. Okay, so let's say that we have a WordPress website. Okay, so let's go to dashboard. Let's create a new page and let's call it survey. Yeah, publish. Okay, let's go to edit with Elementor. Okay, here it loads the survey page and we're going to add a new section, and the section could be an HTML code. There we go. And inside the HTML code, we just paste, okay, here, not this one. We just paste the embed code. So let's do copy. Let's do paste. And here we are. Let's update and let's take a look at the website. Okay, and we can have the survey on our own website. Okay, so this, if you want to get rid of this thing, you just need to make the height a little bigger, a little higher. So we can go here, and instead of making height 500, we can make it 1000. Perfect. So we update this and we go here, we refresh this, and we have here on our own website, we have the survey. Okay, perfect. So let's go back. You can send via email. You can get a link. So the link points to the Google page where it is the survey, or you could add it into your own page and have it here. Okay? And another cool thing, another cool feature is that we can also add it to Facebook. So here is an example of the survey. See video on the files section of my virtual hotspot. And then we can share it in a group, and the group would be Thrive Virtual Hotspot, and post to Facebook. Okay, and if we go here and refresh the group, okay, here it goes. Here's an example of the survey. See video on the file section of Thrive. Okay, and I like it. Yeah. And when you click here, it takes you also to the Google page. Okay, it's the same that if you had the link here. Okay, or the long form, shorten form. Okay, so if you have any questions about how does this work, then just put it on the comments, and I will be happy to answer it to you. See you on the next video. This is Rafael from betacallrafael.com. See you guys.